this question, we are given that the donuts are all priced equally and all the bagels are priced equally. Since we don't have any variable for the price of donuts and bagels, let's assume the price of donuts to be as D and the price of bagels as B. Now we have to find out the price of 5 donuts and 3 bagels. Now, if one donut costs D dollars, then 5 donuts will cost us 5D dollars. Similarly, if one bagel costs B dollars, then 3 bagels will cost us 3B dollars. Now we have to find the total price of 5 donuts and 3 bagels. So you have to find the value of 5D plus 3B. Now, this is all that we can infer from the question stem. So we now move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. Now, what do we have in statement 1? We are given that the total price of 10 donuts and 6 bagels is $12.90. That means we can write 10D plus 6B is equal to 12.90. Now, some of you might end up making a mistake of rejecting this statement and eliminating options A and D, thinking that this is just one equation with 2 variables. But whenever you get an equation, always try to simplify it. So the main goal here is to simplify this equation. Now we can see that we can take 2 common from the whole equation. Then we get 2 times 5D plus 3B is equal to 2 times 6.45. Now when we cancel 2 from both sides, we get 5BD plus 3B, which is equal to 6.45. Now this is exactly what we had to find. So the cost of 5 donuts and 3 bagels will be equal to $6.45. So we conclude that statement 1 is sufficient. And from the given options, we eliminate B, C and E. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. So in statement 2, we are given that the price of the donut is 15 cents less than the price of the bagel. That means the price of donut is $0.15 less than the price of bagel. Now this gives us D minus B is equal to 0.15. Now to be able to solve this equation, we either need the value of D or B individually, or we need another equation with the variables B and D. Since we do not have any of them, we conclude that statement 2 is insufficient. Hence the correct answer is option A.